Hey guys, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports here in the back of a Super Duty with the Recon LED third brake light for the 99 to 16 F250 and F350 trucks. We're going to give you guys a quick review on this, but first make sure you head down below, hit subscribe, and also follow us on Instagram to keep up with all of our daily updates. The Recon LED third brake light is designed to be just a direct replacement for the third brake light that's already on your truck. So as far as mounting is concerned, it's very simple, and the wiring is also going to tie into your factory wiring, so there's not a lot of complex issues with the install. Definitely a very straightforward plug-and-play part. What you're getting with this is the full Recon smoked unit. So this is a smoked lens with super bright red LED third brake light in the center, and then it also has bright white cargo lights on the sides. So you do get increased output and also just a nicer, more aggressive look. And on a truck like this where we've got black accents everywhere and other smoked lights, this is a perfect tie-in. So definitely a nice, simple upgrade if you want to just add a little bit of style to the truck without going overboard. If you guys are interested in picking up this LED third brake light for your Super Duty, definitely head down below to the description. We'll have a link there that you can click, shoot you over to our site, and we'll see you guys next time.